We're in Tropical Plaza, What's New to be exact, and it is the Christmas shopping spree. Jacqueline Wedderburn is the store manager. I see her every year, and I didn't know she was a store manager. But now that I know, she's my best friend. All is well?
All is well.
Tell me about the stuff that you've put out here.
Okay, so at What's New, we have a lot of gift ideas ready for everyone. We have gaming consoles, so we have the PS4, the Xbox One, and then we have the newest console from Nintendo, which is the Switch. Drones and RC helicopters. We also have fitness watches and Bluetooth watches for the fitness enthusiastic persons. And we have VR headsets. Definitely immersing yourself with your phone. Again, a favorite gift idea is definitely a Bluetooth headset. This is actually one of my favorite. It's really loud and you can totally get lost in the music. And tablets, always a favorite. We have the Amazon Echo Dot, so if you really want some Bluetooth speakers, home speakers to connect to your home, you know, giving Alexa instructions, Alexa play this music for me, she'll definitely listen and give you your music. Security is always important, so we do have this clock, which is a hidden camera. It has a memory card installed, and then the app is downloaded to your phone. We also have the video doorbell ringer.
You have other branches, don't you?
Yes, we do. We have 4 branches. So we have this one here, we're in Tropical Plaza, or Ligani branch, which is on the Waterfalls building.
Right.
Portmore, we're inside of the Mega Mart branch. And of course, we're in Ocherius.
You have some deals.
Of course. We are encouraging persons definitely to become elite members, which you'll be able to get weekly and daily deals. So make sure you sign up. So if you're shopping for your loved one and not sure what to get them a What's New gift certificate.
All right, so check them out this Christmas. What's new? Anything techie. Come here.
Welcome to Shopping Spree 2017, and we're in the cool parish of Portland, and we're here at Germany's Auto Sales. And of course, I did the Christmas shopping for the car, and Mr. Paul Young, the manager.
Yes, good you're here. I'm Paul Young, man.
Yeah.
In person.
He's going to help me today to see what kind of cars you have on the lot.
What is happening here? We make the price comfortable so that people can reach out to us.
You help me to secure the vehicle for 6 months,
Yes.
and you pay for it.
Yes, man.
My car.
Yes, your
You pay
car.
for it.
Yes, I pay for
For
it.
6 months.
6 months. Then thereafter, you can continue the plan with our car. I think they charge $2,300 per month.
Does it matter the vehicle?
Any vehicle.
I mean any vehicle.
Any vehicle.
No, when I say any vehicle, I mean
Any
like this
vehicle
and
that you
vehicle.
purchase.
If I need a 2018 car, you can get a special order for me.
Correct. We do special orders. We provide RAV4s, we provide BMW, we provide Crown, we provide pickups, the Fit, the Swift,
Right.
the Tidas.
Yeah,
We
okay.
even go as far as providing now
Specialty vehicle.
special vehicle for the disabled.
What do you mean specialty?
Watch this vehicle, it's in operation.
I mean, if I sit down in it, just
Sit. Move with this disabled man for me, please.
go about this.
Germany's.
I like it.
Only at Germany.
You know, so I feel like I leave it, right? Hold on, I feel like I leave it. I feel like I leave it right now. I leave it.
How you feel?
Can't feel good, Messiah. I'm not telling none of that. All the Germany's.
Only Germany's.
And this is a Shopping Spree 2017. I'm right here at where?
33 Foreshore Road, Port Antonio, and our telephone numbers are 993-4033, 874-8989. Sunday to Sunday, you call.
You can stay right here, sir. Later.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Take care on the road.